Very good morning students and welcome back in the online session of science. See students, we were there in the chapter number 14 water on the page number 139 on activity 2. In our previous video session we have learned that how the water get disappear, okay, that we have done. But in this video session we will learn something about related to that and in an activity, okay. Take two similar plates, place one of the plates in sunlight and keep the other under shade. Now pour equal amount of water in each of the plates. Figure 14.5. See here one figure is given. See here it's a 14.5 figure. In that one plate is in the direct sunlight, they are kept into the direct sunlight and one was under the shade. Okay, and they have placed and they are kept an equal amount of the water in that. Now you can use, where we are here, okay, you can use a cap of a bottle to measure the water. Make sure that the water does not pile over. It should not be spread here and there, it should be in the plate only. Observe the two plates after every 15 minutes. Does the water seems to disappear? From which plate does it disappear the fast? What is the source of the heat for this evaporation? See what they're telling, that after that you have to check after each and every 15 minutes that water getting disappear or not, or in which plate does it disappear the fast, okay, that we have to check after 15 minutes. And if the water is getting disappear, then what is the main source of evaporation over there? During the daytime, the sunlight falls on the water in ocean, rivers, lakes and ponds. The fields and the other land areas also receives the sunlight. See, each and every place the sunlight is there, okay. As a result, the water from all the places continuously changes into the vapor. However, the salt dissolves in the water are left behind. See what they're telling, that the each and every places the sunlight is there and the water is getting heat from the sunlight, and then after the water turns into the vapor, okay. So like this, and whatever the salt was there present into the in the water, it left behind and the water turns into the vapor and went into the air, okay. In activity 2, do you find that the water also disappeared from the plate kept in? See what they are telling, that water get disappeared from the plate, they are kept in the shadow. Though it could have taken more time, does the heat from the sunlight reach there? See students, this is a activity, you can do this activity at home. One plate you place in a ground, means into the direct sunlight, and the another plate you can place in a corridor or veranda, okay, where the shade is there, or under the tree, that you can do. Then after 15 minutes you just check that whether the plate is whether the water is disappearing or not, okay. And both of the plates are taking the equal time to get the disappear of water. No, I don't think that they will take the same time. Why? Because one is kept into the direct sunlight, okay. So this is the homework, that you can do this activity at home and you have to just check that whether the both of the plates are taking the same time to disappear the water, okay. Just do it and have fun. Yes, during the daytime all the air surrounding us get heated. Yes, that's true. At the daytime, the presence of the air in the presence of the sunlight, the air around us is also heated. The warm air appears heat from the evaporation of the water in the shade. Thus the evaporation take place from all open surface of the water. See what they are telling, that as the heat is present in an air at the present of the sunlight, the heat appears and the evaporation of the water in the shade. Thus the evaporation take place from all open surface of water, okay. As a result, the water vapors get continuously added to the air. So this is why the water get continuously added to the air in the form of vapors, evaporation, okay. However, the evaporation of the water is a slow process. That is why we rarely notice it loss from a bucket full of water. See what they're telling, that it's a very slow process, so it takes a time and we will very rarely notice it after a lots of time, that on a bucket whether the water is when the water is getting disappear from it, it takes a long process of time. On heating water on a burner, its evaporation take place even faster. See, water heating on a burner, on the stove, burner, gas, okay. Over there we are heating, it's a speedy method, okay. It's getting a very fast way. Is there any other process through which the water vapor get transferred into the air? See, now they are telling that any other method is there that the water get transferred into the air. Now that you have to see. Students, just go through the chapter and whatever the things, the activity 2, the 2 plates, okay, just complete that activity at home and just go through the chapter. It's a very interesting chapter and you will have fun in this one, okay. So the next remaining, the loss of water by plants, that we will complete in our next video session, okay. So that's all for the day, students. Have a wonderful day.